The next exercise, children, which we have to do is exercise 19. Stranger, stranger. Name the stranger in the following set of words. Here in this exercise, children, you have to find the stranger. Means you have to find the odd one out. The odd one. The first one. Palace, cottage, bed, stable, hive, nest. The odd one is bed, because all others are homes. Palace, home of a king. Cottage, home of a person. Stable, home of a horse. Hive is the home of a bee. And nest is the home of a bird. But we sleep on a bed. Silver, brass, iron, copper, plastic, gold. All these words which you see, they are all metals. Silver, brass, iron, copper and gold are metals. But plastic is not a metal. Okay? Needle, thread, sewing machine, refrigerator, cloth. Now children, all these words are related to stitching. Okay, you stitch a cloth with needle, thread and sewing machine. But do you need a refrigerator for that? No. So refrigerator is the odd one. Wednesday, Christmas Day, Sunday, Tuesday, Monday. All these words, children, are related to days of the week. There's only one word which is a festival of the Christians. It is Christmas Day, the 25th of December. So Christmas Day is the odd one. All other days are days of the week. Car, van, bus, table, scooter, train. What do you think is the odd one, children? It's the table, because all others are used as vehicles. They carry people from one place to another. Rice, wheat, sugar, spices, salt, spoon. Which is the odd one, children? It's the spoon. Everything else is used for cooking, but a spoon is used for stirring what is being cooked, or for serving. Chennai, Mumbai, school, Bengaluru, Goa. Which is the odd one? It's school. All others are names of places in India. Door, window, floor, vase, ceiling. Which is the stranger over here, odd one? It's the vase. Vase is a decorative item in which we put flowers. But a door, a window, a floor and a ceiling are parts of a house. Tea, milk, coffee, sweets, lemonade. Now children, which is the odd one? Sweets. Why? Because tea, milk, coffee and lemonade we drink, but we don't drink sweets. We eat sweets. Puppy, butterfly, kitten, lamb, chicken. Children, the odd one over here is the butterfly, because only the butterfly can fly. Puppy, kitten, lamb and chicken, they are young ones of animals. They cannot fly. Thank you, children. With this, we come to the end of our first summative portion. See that you study well. All the best to each one of you.